Hello everyone, today's lesson is all about BIDMAS. This is one of the most important rules in mathematics because it tells us the correct order to complete calculations. Questions involving BIDMAS often appear in the reasoning papers and occasionally in the arithmetic paper. If you don't follow the correct order, you'll most certainly get the wrong answer. First, we have to understand what BIDMAS stands for. So B stands for brackets, I stands for indices, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. The order tells us which calculations to complete first. Remember that division and multiplication have the same priority, so they work from left to right. The same is true for addition and subtraction. Let's solve 8 plus 4 times 6. Should we add first? No. According to BIDMAS, multiplication comes before addition. So we first calculate 4 times 6 equals 24. Then we do 24 plus 8, which is 32. So our answer is 32. Now let's compare. If the 8 plus 4 is in brackets, they change everything. We have to calculate inside the brackets first, so 8 plus 4 is 12, then multiply by 6, so 12 times 6 is 72. The brackets completely change the answer. Try this one, 18 divided by 3 times 2. Some pupils multiply first. However, division and multiplication have equal priority, so we work from left to right. So we're doing 18 divided by 3, which is 6. 6 times 2 equals 12. Let's try a SAT style question. This would most likely be in the reasoning paper. Let's go through the question. A school buys 6 boxes. Each box contains 4 packs. Each pack contains 12 pencils. Think carefully. How many pencils are there altogether? We need to multiply, so we have to do 6 times 4 times 12. So the answer is 288 pencils. Although this is a word problem, BIDMAS helps you organize your calculations. Let's review the mistakes pupils often make. Ignoring brackets, adding before multiplying, forgetting to work from left to right, rushing. If you're unsure, if you're struggling, write each step separately, and you can write BIDMAS on the side so you know the order, so you don't have to struggle to remember. So you write BIDMAS and you see if you're following the order correctly. You will make fewer mistakes and it's easier to check your answers. Pause the video and solve these calculations. The first one is 15 plus 5 times 4.
So the answer for the first question is 35.
Let's have a go at the next one. The next one, 15 plus 5 is in brackets, so the order changes. Can you have a go at this one? The answer is 80. So we have to do 15 plus 5 first, which gives us 20, and then multiply by 4. Last one, 36 divided by 6 times 3. The answer is 18. Well done if you got those right. If you didn't, it's okay, just keep practicing. You'll eventually get the hang of it. Today we've learnt that BIDMAS gives us the correct order for solving calculations. Always remember brackets first, indices second, then division and multiplication from left to right, finally addition and subtraction from left to right. Mastering BIDMAS will help you answer many SAT questions accurately and confidently. In the next lesson, we will explore place value, which is one of the most important topics in Year 6 maths. Bye bye.